Assalamu alaikum, my dear little learners. Have you ever seen the moon and felt your heart do a happy jump? That's exactly what happened to Zayd. One special night, he looked up and saw it, the thin, smiling crescent of the Ramadan moon. It's time! It's time! He cheered. His house was filled with joy. Lanterns were hung, decorations sparkled. This year, Zayd announced to his family, I am going to fast, a whole day, just like you. His first Ramadan adventure was about to begin. While the world was still dark and quiet, Zayd woke up for Suhoor, the pre-dawn meal. Why do we do this, Baba? He asked, yawning. His father smiled and opened the Quran. Allah tells us, O you who believe, fasting is prescribed for you as it was prescribed for those before you, that you may become righteous. Zayd learned that fasting is a special training for our hearts, to make us stronger, more patient, and closer to Allah. With a heart full of love, Zayd made his niyyah, his intention. I am fasting for you, Allah. As the sun rose, Zayd's tummy rumbled. This is the hard part, he thought. But then he remembered, fasting isn't just about not eating, it's about doing good. He prayed his dua prayer carefully. He helped his mother set the table. He even read a page from the Quran. Every time he chose a good deed, he imagined a golden star of patience glowing in his heart, making him stronger. The hunger was a reminder of all the blessings Allah gives us every single day. In the afternoon, Zayd saw a construction worker resting in the shade, looking very tired and thirsty. A new feeling grew in Zayd's heart, empathy. He could feel how thirsty that man was. Mama, he said, for Iftar tonight, can we give him my favorite cookies and a cold drink? His mother hugged him. This, my dear Zayd, is the true spirit of Ramadan. We feel for others and we share. Finally, the sun began to set. The Maghrib Adhan played. Allahu Akbar. It was time for Iftar. With a date and a sip of water, Zayd made a beautiful dua, thanking Allah for helping him. The food never tasted so sweet. Later, the family went to the mosque for Taraweeh prayers. Zayd saw hundreds of people standing together, like one big family. He felt it deeply. Ramadan is the month of hearts connected by faith. That night, as Zayd drifted to sleep, he felt a peaceful happiness. He wasn't just a boy who didn't eat. He was a young Muslim who learned patience, felt gratitude, and showed kindness. How about you, my friend? Are you ready for your own Ramadan adventure? Remember, every effort you make is loved by Allah. Write in the comments what you're most excited about for Ramadan. And if you want to go on more Islamic adventures, make sure to subscribe and join our little Muslim learners family. Until next time, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.